In this video, I will show you how to make this super hydrating Rose Aloe Facial Toner for sensitive and acne-prone skin. This facial toner contains proteins that will moisturize and keep the skin hydrated. It contains humectants and also extracts that will promote collagen production and stops collagen degradation. Daily use of this toner will significantly enhance the hydration of any dry skin. Let me show you how to make this toner. The first ingredient for our product will be 15 grams of rose water. Rose water is a humectant that hydrates dry and irritated skin. Rose water also balances the pH of the skin and regulates oil production and controls acne. Rose water also contains vitamin C and protects against free radicals. Our second ingredient is aloe vera juice, which is a humectant that keeps the skin moisturized and hydrated. It also promotes collagen production and wound healing and fights against acne. The next ingredient is vegetable glycerin, which is also another humectant that hydrates the skin and promotes wound healing. Vegetable glycerin is non-comedogenic, meaning that it will not clog your pores and cause acne. It also reduces wrinkles and protects against pollution. The next ingredient is distilled water. You want to use distilled water for your product. Water is the solvent, which is where everything is dissolved. Next, we have hydrolyzed oats. This ingredient contains proteins from whole oats, which softens the skin and increases skin moisture retention by 50%. The next ingredient is hydrolyzed wheat protein. It adds and balances the moisture in the skin. It has anti-irritation properties and makes the skin feel smoother and softer. To elevate this toner, we will be adding pumpkin seed extract, which promotes collagen production and stops collagen degradation. It smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and improves skin firmness and elasticity. The second to the last ingredient for this amazing product is panthenol. Panthenol is also another humectant that reduces water loss and improves hydration. It improves skin, making it softer and more elastic. It improves skin's dryness and softness. Last but not least, we are going to be adding a preservative of our choice to this product to prevent microorganisms from growing inside this product. I like to use Gamma Bean too, but you can use any water-soluble preservative. And I'll be adding 0.5 grams. Stir the entire mixture together to make sure that all the ingredients dissolve. Then transfer your mixed ingredients to a clean spray bottle. And there you have it. You have your own super hydrating Rose Aloe Facial Toner for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Make sure you watch my video where I show you how to formulate this entire product so that you will know how to get the correct measurement for each ingredient. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a blessed day. God bless you.